Hi class 7, welcome back to your value education class. Now we have already done chapter gender equality, right? So today what we are going to do is we will discuss the question answers, and as you know I only give you hint because it depends how you write, how you understand and how you frame it, right? So today also I am going to discuss the question answers with you. Keep in mind page number 40. 1 to 4 you will do it in your CW copy and rest from page 40 to page number 46 you will do it in your book with a pen, not with pencil. Okay, let's begin. First one, in what ways are boys and girls similar? In what ways are they different? So if this question is there, they are similar in what? In you can say intelligence, they can be similar. They are equal because they are human being. You can say opportunities should be similar. Okay, they are similar in their activities, right? When you study, so the girl is also studying the same thing, the boy is also studying the same thing. So education we can say, in employment we can say, health we can say, right? So in this way you can say they are similar. Now in what ways are they different? Different in gender, that's it. Because one is a girl, the other is a boy. Okay, different can be their tone, their voice quality. Boy will have a different quality, girl will have a different quality, right? Different can be their face, right? Different can be their way of talking. These all things can be different. Next, how do you feel when someone says, don't do that, you are a boy or you are a girl? Of course, it is something like depriving us or depriving a boy or a girl, right, to do some work. If they are capable of doing it, and if somebody says don't do that because you are a girl or don't do that because you are a boy, it actually disappoints, disheartens, right? Next, what do you like best about being a girl or a boy? That's completely your choice. You will write it by yourself. If you ask me, I would say being a girl, I feel very proud and I'm thankful to God. And what do you like best about being girl? Okay, I like the thing that we can do anything and everything that comes in our way, right? We can struggle a lot, so I like that. Next, is there something that you really want to try but aren't able to because of your gender? Now it depends on you. If you have something as being a girl or being a boy and you want to do that, but because of your gender you get stuck, so you write that. Okay, according to you, how different are boys and girls? Write your views. How boys and girls are similar and how boys and girls are different. So see, it is your choice. You have full freedom. You can write your own answer. Okay. Next, read the following statements and tick the ones that show gender bias. So sit properly. You are a girl. Gender bias. Being a boy doesn't mean you can talk loudly. Yeah, of course, being a boy doesn't mean that you can talk loudly. Nobody has given you that right, right? Next, boys can stay out late, not girls. Because he's a boy, he can stay out. And because I'm a girl, I cannot stay out. Why? Next, boys who cry are wimps. What is this? Why? We are not supposed to say like this. Boys can also cry. Both boys and girls must help clear the table. Of course, I support this. Girls don't play football. Why? We only have one example now in our class. Who's that? Riddha, right? Even Ritu Priya, she's where? She's in karate, right? I guess Kashmira, Kho, right? So, come on, boys can play, girls can also play, right? Next, boys should hide their emotions. Why? No, if girls can express their emotions, boys too can, right? Women need not earn, that's the job of men. While women can also earn, rather both will be like helping each other when they are into a family. So women can also earn, right? It's silly for boys to learn Indian classical dance. Why it's silly? You know, who's the greatest one? Pandit Birju Maharaj. He's what? He's a boy, right? So why it is silly for boys? Why not silly for girls? If it is silly for both, and if it is good for both, right? Yes. Next. Name a famous personality that you admire because he or she has had the courage to break free from traditional molds based on gender. So it's depending on you, you are going to write if you know somebody. Would you consider this person a role model? If yes, why do you consider? You have to write. Okay, next. Write 5 things that you can do to end gender bias. What you can do? I don't know, you have to take initiative somewhere, you need to start. So what you can do, you write down. Being a girl, being a boy, being a student of class 7, what you can do. Are there some activities that you feel only boys or men can do, or some that only girls or women can do? List them and say why you think so. Now, if you support this, that okay, for I consider this word cooking, for example, a girl can only do or a woman can only do. But I need to say why. Why so? Because a boy is not having brain like the girls. Is that the answer? I don't think so. So you need to find out if you at all get anything. So you need to find out and you have to prove that. Give reason to that. Next. Has someone ever stopped you from trying something you really wanted to do because you are a boy or girl? If this has ever happened in your life, do write. How did you feel? What did you do? Write about the experience in the space below. So it's again your own choice. If you have ever felt so, you have to write. Are girls and boys treated equally in our country? To some extent. I would say to some extent. To be very honest, it's not totally. Full freedom is not given to the girls, neither to the boys. So, to some extent, I can say, uh, are girls considered a burden in some families? Yes, to some extent. To some extent, there are some families, very introvert families, who consider girls to be burden. If so, what steps need to be taken to correct these problems? What do you think? What are the steps that can help our society to change our what do you call it, families, those families which are interior ones? What steps will we take? Shall we take? So you can say like, first of all, they need to change their mentality. So we need to convince, we need to talk to them, we need to counsel them, those families, right? We need to make them understand with examples or with scenario that has taken place with the help of a girl, where she has taken the country to such an extent where we feel proud. So those examples we need to put forward. We need to make them actually realize the situation. Next. Any discussion on gender inequality would be incomplete without mentioning the following people. So find out about them and describe their special achievements. Kiran Bedi, the first name which comes. What she has done for the society, for the country, you just find this out and make a note of it. She is one example and a role model for any girl you talk about, you ask about. Okay. So Kiran Bedi, the officer, police officer, she has been just uh, someone very unique to take up such step, to show girls such step that they can also move forward. Sanjeev Kapoor, a boy, number one chef we can call him, right? So one of the top chef in our country and best chef, where we like, if you search his channel, you will see various type types of recipes prepared by him, by his own. Sunita Williams. Do I need to say anything about her? You people are learning and getting knowledge about her since you were in class 1. So you need to write about her. Astad Dibu, a very famous name. Find out who is he, what he has done, what he is doing, and how he has changed the society. And the last one, Javed Habib. What he has done, Javed Habib. You people go for new hairstyle, right? So this new hairstyle, how do you get? When you go to his salon, right? So you get there. But he's a boy, right? So write about them. And the last one, put a star in the box if the statement is true. How many stars did you get? When I see a boy crying, I do not tease him or call him names. I suppose you do not do that. So you're going to give a star there. I realize that both boys and girls should help their parents with the housework. Of course, I do not laugh when a girl says that she wants to choose a profession that is usually chosen by a boy or by boys. Okay, fine. So I do not laugh, of course. I understand that boys and girls need to be caring, kind, affectionate in their behavior. Yes, I believe that nature has made boys and girls equally capable. Yes, they are equally capable, right? So, write down the answer, take the pic and do send it to me. Today till this much. Take care. Bye-bye.